So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stretch a photo in PixArt. So the first thing you want to do is open up your PixArt app. On here you can see at the bottom some things like remove background, add text, AI enhance, collage, and so on. But you will need to open up one of your projects. So if you open up this photo that you want to stretch, you can see at the bottom tools, effects, text, retouch, sticker. You can even see cutouts. And in order to stretch a photo in PixArt, you will need to swipe back to Tools. You can see options like crop, shape, dispersion, clone, AI, replace, and you can see the motion and stretch. So you will need to click on the stretch option. And you can see brush the areas you like to reshape. So you want to pull on just one part of the picture. So you can see something like this. And you can see, you can choose the option of how you want to stretch it. So you can see something like this. If you wish to squeeze it, you can see now it's more narrow. You can inflate it as well by going to here. It's really quite good of a Photoshop tool. So that's how you can stretch. You can even swirl in a different direction underneath. So you can see it's kind of some funny shape that's being created on here, and you can restore everything by simply clicking on this rubber, and you can see on here it's erasing all of the so-called damage that's been done to the picture. So it's really a quite useful thing that you can keep in mind when editing your photos. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PixArt or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.